Alright, we'll be starting the last exercise 13.8. Here, first I have to understand how the volume of a sphere and a hemisphere, the formula came about. Alright, so let's start with volume of a sphere. So I've already written for here 2 times into volume of a cone with same height and radius, alright, which means it takes 2 volume of a cone to fill up 1 volume of a sphere, right? So now if you look at the formula here, volume of a cone, what is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. These 2 is because they are 2 cone, right? Now just have a look at the height of the cone, right? I'm going to convert it and simply write it to be equal to 2 times r. So why? Because see, like I already said, with same height, right? Height of the cone is pretty simple, you can already see here. But how do I find the height of a sphere? Will it be r plus r? Will it give me the height of a sphere? It will, right? So here, because we're trying to find the volume of a sphere, I have to convert this height into 2 times r. In place of writing h, I'm going to write it to be equal to 2 times r. R plus r is 2 times 2r, right? So once we're done with that, let's multiply. 2 2s are, I'm going to get 4. Then here r square, here 1r. If I multiply, I'm going to get r cube. Or in simple, I'm going to get the volume of the sphere to be equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now when you look at hemisphere, pretty simple, it is half times the volume of a sphere, right? Now going back, 4 by 3, right? What is the half of 4? It is 2. Okay, so simple as it. 2 by 3 pi r cube. That is how we'll get the volume of a hemisphere. Alright, now let's start with the question. First question, find the volume of a sphere whose radius already given to us, right? The radius. So just have to put it directly in the formula for volume of a sphere. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So I put written the values and 7 on 7, 7 on 7. Count anything, you multiply 4 into 22 into 7 into 7. We're going to get 4 3 1 2 divided by 3. Now let's start this division. 4 3 1 2 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. I'm going to have a 12, then 13, right? Then 3 4s are 12, then again like this, and 3 3s are 9, then 22, then 3 7s are 21, then 2 minus 1 is 1. So that is how I'll get the volume of a sphere to be equal to 1437 1 by 3 centimeter cube. All right, let's do one more. Find the amount of water displaced by solid spherical ball of diameter. They've given us the diameter, right? Which means if I try to find the radius, it will be 14. All right, displaced, right? So I'm just taking a here as an example. Okay, so imagine that this container is filled with water, right? If I put this solid ball inside the what is this container here, will it displace water or no? It will displace a certain volume, right? Volume of water. So remember, the amount of water displaced by solid equals volume of the sphere. It has to be the same. All right, so pretty simple. Just have to put it directly in the volume of a sphere formula again, right? So 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then radius will it got 14. Then 7 and 7, 7 2s are 14. Can't do anything, you multiply 4 into 22 into 7 into 14 into 14. We're going to get what? 3 4 4 9 6 divided by 3. And when you divide, we're going to get the amount of water displaced to be equal to 11498 2 by 3 centimeter cube.